Hey guys, how's you all? I hope you must be doing well. So today I'm gonna share with you a delicious recipe, and this recipe is made by me. Like I have invented this recipe. And I named it Chhole Pav with twist. So for this I have taken some boiled chickpeas and then now put the chickpeas in a bowl. Now add secret ingredient in it, and that is mayonnaise white according to your taste. Now mix it well. Now add some chopped onions and cucumber, mix it well. Now add coriander and green chili sauce inside the mixture and mix. And now I am adding some chopped beetroot. By the way, whatever vegetables you like which can be eaten raw, you can add as per your choice. Now mix all the mixture well. And on one side I have chopped coriander and grated cheese. Now it's time for pav. I bought these pav from the market. You can easily find them in any bakery or ration shop. Now get the pav and make it cut with a light hand with the help of a knife in the middle. You can also cut the two pavs at the same time because they are already connected, or you can cut them separately. Buy as many pav as you have members in your family, because this dish tastes so yummy that eaters can eat 2 to 3 chhole pav. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have already subscribed it, then please do share and like it. I have added some grated cheese on top of the chickpeas mixture and mixed it. Now I am going to put this mixture inside the pav. Add some chopped coriander and some cheese over it. Now press the pav from both sides with light hands and cut both pavs in between. Yes, if you want something tangy, then sprinkle the sandwich masala on top and it will become even more yummy. And that's how how I filled all the paos with stuff and put them aside. Now put a pan or griddle on the stove and heat it. Put some ghee or butter or olive oil, that whatever you like, in the pan. After it melts, we will keep the pav in this pan and cook it on medium heat. Bake as much as you want, but in slow heat, otherwise it will burn. Now turn the pav again and bake. And at last, serve in a plate with some tomato ketchup and enjoy. Please make this dish as well and tell me how you liked. Comment me in the comment section below. The ingredients that I have used in this dish are in the description box below. Thanks for watching.